skies. I think it's raining over there on the mountain over there, like up there. And it's starting to sprinkle. I don't know if you can catch it on the ground. But the rains are coming this way. Like the sky looks clear, but the rain is coming, and it's like cloudy. It's there, but look at the top of my mom's car, and it's raining. Like, I'm not for sure where this rain's coming from, because we got clear skies, but clear skies can be really tricky. Clear sky, and it's pouring down rain. What? Let's hope nobody's windows are down. Guys, I mean, it is clear skies. Clear as day. And it is raining. Like, over through here, it's cloudy and stuff. Up above the house is a little cloudy, but over in there, it's blue skies. And it is just like pouring down rain. And that is crazy.